Hi, this is Dielle, and I have another breath practice for you. Today is one of my favorites. It's called Sitali, also known as the cooling breath, and it is for heat-related conditions. So, women, if you have heat flashes or night sweats, really good exercise to do to help cool you off. If you have anger rising, this can be a really calming breath and help to cool the flames of the anger. If you have digestive issues that are heat-related, this can help. And then if it's just hot and muggy and you're really having a hard time coping with the conditions outside the body, then you can use this breath as well to help you adjust to the heat. So there are no contraindications that go along with Sitali breath, so it's safe for everyone to do. I would just again say that you're always the better judge of that for yourself. So if it doesn't work for you, just drop it. It's not something crucial. It's also, it's been said, if you can practice 108 repetitions of the Sitali breath, that any kind of digestive issues that you may have can be helped. So if you have any big problems like that, you can work up to 108 repetitions and it may very well help your condition. Other than that, I would just say to work up to 3 minutes and have that be your goal with Sitali breath. And of course, at any time you can always feel free to do more if it's helping you. I want to mention also about a neck lock. Jalandhara neck lock has to do with just tucking the chin slightly and elongating through the back of the neck. And actually the whole spine really, but it's just such a small effect of just pulling up, and I hope you can see, I'm kind of exaggerating it a little, but it's simply tucking the chin and elongating through the back of the neck is the easiest way to describe it. Now that's something that you don't have to add today as you're learning the breath. You can add it after you've become comfortable with how the breath works. The other thing about this particular breath, Sitali, is that it asks that we curl our tongue, like so. Now, not everyone genetically is capable of doing that. And so if you're one of the ones who can't, don't worry about it. Just stick your tongue out. You can stick your tongue out at me. And just breathe over your extended tongue. And you're going to breathe in. Then you're going to breathe out through your nostrils. And this is probably the trickiest part of Sitali, is going back and forth between the mouth and the nose breath. So inhaling over the tongue, exhaling out the nose. And that's all there is to it, okay? So how about we practice together? First, just try to curl your tongue. See if you can do that. And if you can't, now try to take a breath in over your extended tongue. Curled. And let it go through the nose. Or flat. And notice that the tongue remains out as you're exhaling. So one of those, hopefully, is going to work for you. And now let's begin a minute-long practice of Sitali. So breathing in over the curled tongue or extended tongue. Good, and keep going. Notice that cool rush of air that floats over your tongue as you breathe in. And as you exhale, take your time to fully exhale. And likewise, when you inhale, to fully inhale. Your rhythm may be different from mine, from anyone else who happens to be breathing with you. You can also close your eyes. Try to relax once you feel comfortable doing it. As you continue, see if this would be a good place to try and attempt the neck lock, and just tuck the chin back just ever so slightly, elongating the back of the neck. And we're doing great. You've got about 20 seconds left. Very good. Go ahead and finish one more round of breath in and out. And then you'll be all set for today. So again, to practice, just work up to, well, we've already done a minute. Continue to practice a minute for the next several days, for about a week, adding on as you would like, testing yourself up to 3 minutes, and see how it goes for you. Try applying it when you experience a heat-related condition, see if it helps. All right, take care. See you soon with another breath practice.